Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this comparison between ClickUp versus Notion. Which is best for project management? Well, this guide aims to provide you with a clear step-by-step breakdown between both of them, and this will help you to make an informed decision. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for both services when you make your choice at the end of this video. Starting with the features, ClickUp provides an extensive suite of dedicated project management tools, including Gantt charts, native time tracking, advanced dashboards, resource management, and sprint management. It is designed as an everything app aiming to replace multiple tools. Notion, on the other hand, operates as a highly flexible workspace combining nodes, databases, wikis, and project management into one. It excels in document management, knowledge bases, and custom database creation, and this allows users to build highly personalized systems. It also includes AI features for content generation and summarization. Now, when we're talking about the pricing, we'd like to start with ClickUp. ClickUp does have the free forever option, where it offers unlimited task, 16 MB of storage, unlimited free plan members, and two-factor authentication for security. Then you have the unlimited plan at $7 per month when billed annually, and this is great for small teams, including everything in the free forever plus 2 GB storage per user. It also has unlimited integrations and native time tracking amongst others. The business plan comes at $12 per month when billed annually as well, and this is recommended for mid-sized teams. It includes everything in unlimited plus unlimited storage, unlimited teams, message history, and mind maps. It also has more automations. The enterprise plan is a custom pricing, so you'll need to contact customer support for your unique needs to get your unique quote. And then we have Notion. Notion does have a free plan which is suitable for individuals, and this offers unlimited pages and blocks, basic collaboration with up to 10 guests, and a 7-day page history. Its AI responses are limited and they are available as a trial. Then if you'd like to kick things up a notch, you have the Plus plan at $10 per month when billed annually. It is ideal for small teams, and this provides unlimited blocks for teams, unlimited file uploads, a 30-day page history, and up to 100 guest collaborators. Then you have the business plan at $20 per month when billed annually, and this plan is popular for medium and growing teams, as it includes a full suite of Notion AI features, advanced page analytics, and longer page histories up to 90 days, and it has integrated AI capabilities and enhanced collaboration to make it a strong value proposition. The enterprise is of course at a custom pricing, so you'll need to provide your specific needs to customer services in order to get your unique quote. With every service, there are the pros and cons to deal with. Starting with ClickUp, on the bright side, it has a generous free plan and affordable paid tiers. It has extensive set of features for collaboration and workflow management. It offers unique tools like whiteboards, spreadsheets, and mind maps. It is highly customizable to fit various team needs, and a comprehensive training material is available on their website to help newbies. On the flip side, with the cons, the user interface can feel less intuitive or cluttered for new users. Menus are not always logically organized, and the mobile application has noted limitations in views and touch support. There is a learning curve which is considered steep due to the abundance of features, and it can be overwhelming for teams looking for simplicity. Now, when we get to Notion, on the bright side, it is extremely flexible and versatile for knowledge management and note-taking. It has an intuitive drag-and-drop interface for easy content creation, powerful database functionality that can be adapted for project management. It seamlessly integrates notes, wikis, and tasks in one workspace. It also includes built-in AI capabilities for enhanced content creation and summarization. On the downside, it is less focused on traditional project management compared to dedicated tools. It requires more setup and customization to function as a full-fledged project management tool. It also lacks some advanced project management features like native Gantt charts or detailed resource management without workarounds. If you're trying to work offline, your access will definitely be limited. It can become messy without proper organization and structure. In conclusion, choosing between ClickUp and Notion ultimately depends on your team's specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform packed with features and a more flexible price point, well, ClickUp might be your ideal choice, especially if your team is comfortable with a steeper learning curve for a powerful toolset. However, if your priority is a highly flexible, customizable workspace that seamlessly blends project management with note-taking, wikis, and databases, then Notion is an exceptional choice. But no matter which path you choose, both services are designed to elevate your team's productivity. Don't forget to check out the links to both services in the description so you can make your choice and get an easy access. Do let us know if this comparison was helpful, and thanks for watching.